Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying basics quickly. Check for system updates and game updates now, because outdated firmware often causes crashes. Once done, confirm the game is installed on the internal SSD. External drives can introduce load issues. You should also close background apps and sign out of other profiles, since memory contention triggers instability. Make sure you have time to power cycle the console and a stable network for downloads. These immediate steps reduce variables before deeper fixes. Next, you focus on file integrity because corrupted saves or installs are a common cause. First, clear local saved data for the game. The cloud keeps backups, then restart the console to refresh cache. Once restarted, go to Manage Game and Add-ons and attempt a repair, or, if unavailable, uninstall the title and reinstall to the internal SSD. If crashes persist after reinstall, also remove any mods or external content. This prevents recurring corruption during load sequences. For final steps, start with network and power fixes because unstable connectivity or insufficient power delivery can crash online or heavy titles. Try a wired Ethernet connection and set NAT to open. Also test another router or modem if possible. If problems remain, reset console settings, then factory reset as a last resort, backing up saves to the cloud first. If crashes continue, note error codes and contact Xbox support. Give them steps you tried, because hardware faults sometimes mimic software crashes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.